Would anybody here like an extra 1,000 followers in the next 30 days for a solar facing Twitter account? It's huge. And so here's what it does. It says to grow your Twitter account at Solar Icons. It knew it. It pulled it. Add 1,000 followers. So it's going to recap. Here are the steps I would do. We need to define your niche market and target audience. Your Twitter handle suggests that you're focused in solar energy and sustainability. It knew that just by me giving it the information. That's, to me, once again, mind blowing. So we need to clearly define it. Optimize your profile. It gives the strategies. I'm not going to go through all that, but I would encourage you to steal that first prompt. Really important. Follow those, and we promise you'll hit 1,000 people in 30 days. I said, awesome. Help me with number three. Number three, develop a content strategy. Post a mix of informative, engaging, and shareable content. Use images, videos, and GIFs to make your content visible, appealing. Maintain a constant posting schedule. Aim for 3 to 5 tweets per day. That is way overwhelming for me. Like way overwhelming. I'm new to this platform, but with GPT, I'm going to show you how it's not. Okay. So come back down. I said, awesome. Help me with number 3. What should I post today? For today, you could post a mix of content that covers the different aspects of solar energy sustainability. Here are 5 tweets. In 30 seconds, I have my 5 tweets for the day. Like mind blowing. Solar fun fact of the day. And I literally posted these. Share an interesting fact about solar energy, such as efficiency, cost savings. And then it gives me an example. So I literally copied from right here down. Did you know a solar power system can reduce CO2 emissions by up to 100 tons of offset in its lifetime? That's the equivalent of planting 2,500 trees. It gave me relevant hashtags with the emojis. I took this tweet and tweeted it Saturday morning. Done. Anybody else seeing value from that? Okay, cool. It's not done there. It's going to give me 5 others. So the second one was going to be industry news. Great news company. And we have to go find out an article that does it. Just out, it plans to expand their solar farming to 10,000 homes, whatever. Obviously, that one didn't really hit home with me. Solar tech highlights. Feature a solar technology product or innovation. Check out this portable solar charger that can power your devices on the go. And then literally it tells you where to go find it. An inspirational quote regarding solar. In the words of David Suzuki, we're a giant car heading towards a brick wall and everyone's arguing over where they're going to sit. Let's make a switch to solar before it's too late. I love that. Different hashtags relevant to that. The next one, kudos to blank for installing solar panels. I have never tweeted about any of my installs. This gave me the inspiration to go do it. Making a roof. And so if they were on Twitter, most of them are not. So you'd have to just use client last name or something to my recent client in Virginia, recent client in Pennsylvania, whatever that looks like. And it gave hashtags for it as well. Right. People get value on that. Okay. Really simple. The other thing with this, with the prompts, the more information you give it in the beginning or as you go through the cycle of what you're trying to get, the better the product. And I've learned that. So sometimes I want to give me 5 tweets for today. It's going to be 5 generic tweets. Give me 5 tweets. Here's my bio on Twitter. Here's my target audience. Those tweets are going to be dialed in. Do you guys see the difference? Took me a little bit longer. I had to give it more quality up front, but the better input you give it, the better the output's going to be.